Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to use the curve modifier to bend this wash strap. Obviously, this works with any object, but I thought a wash strap would be optimal for this example. With this modifier, you can create some very interesting shapes, something maybe circular for a wrist, or maybe just to bend it in any shape till you get something for maybe product photography or such. Okay, just a heads up, this tutorial is more of an intermediate tutorial. I'm going to be going pretty quickly through the shortcuts and such, but everything will be written on screen, so maybe that will help. Okay, first of all, make sure that the entire object is joined together. For example, this watch strap is just a bunch of cubes with an array modifier, but I made sure that the array modifier was applied and all the objects were joined together. So first we're going to go into the edit mode, and we are going to select all and move the object till the first part, till it starts from the origin point, like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, but the closer the better, obviously. Then we're going to add in a curve modifier with a path. Path is the most optimal curve for this object. So let's get started. Going to edit mode. Make sure that the first point of the curve is at the origin point as well. And then we're going to rotate it. Just show it. We're going to rotate it in the around the z-axis by 90 degrees. Then we're going to decrease the size like this. Okay, very nice. Okay, this is the opposite, like this. Okay, now we're going to go to the modifiers tab. We're going to select the curve modifier. Then we're going to pick our curve, in this case it is this curve, the merge path, and then we're going to select it. And now when we edit it, like this, so pretty simple, and it's very useful since it doesn't deform the object very much, so it stays consistent and it doesn't look too warped. So this is quite a helpful modifier. Another curve that you might want to choose is the circle curve, and we're going to do basically the same thing. Go into edit mode, and we're going to make sure that the like this, the first point also touches the origin point, or as close as possible to the origin point. And then we're going to rotate it by 90 degrees, like this. Okay, like this. So now it follows the circle shape, and then we're going to pick the circle, and like this. Very simple. And now when we edit the size of the circle, we edit how harsh the curve is. So this is very helpful. For example, this obviously works with, as I said, many other objects. So it's quite helpful too.